before you submit your essay. Are you sure it's 100% original? Plagiarism isn't always intentional. Sometimes it's just one sentence that sounds too close to a source, a missed citation, or a paraphrase that didn't go far enough, and that small mistake can seriously affect your grades. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use a plagiarism checker tool the right way, how to upload your essay, understand the similarity report, and fix any issues before you turn it in. By the end, you'll be able to submit your work with confidence, knowing it's completely yours. Let's get started. This is an example essay I put together using content copied from another website. Now, we're going to copy and paste it into a plagiarism checker tool to see what happens. After copying the essay, we're going to paste it into the plagiarism checker tool to run a full scan. This will show us if any parts match content from other websites and highlight exactly where the similarities appear. That way, we can clearly see how the tool detects copied content and understand how the report works. Then, we just click Check for Plagiarism, and the tool will show the results along with the similarity percentage. As you can see, the tool shows that 84% of this essay is plagiarism. This way, we can quickly see if our essay contains any plagiarism. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks so much for watching.